안녕 친구. It's time for telling time in Korean. Today, we're learning how to tell time in Korean. Let us start with 몇 시예요? 몇 시예요? 몇 시예요? What time is it? Let's say it's 8 o'clock. How would you say that in Korean? 8 o'clock in Korean is 8시예요. 여덟 시예요. 8시예요. Here's the lesson on telling time in Korean. We begin with by learning the hours. 시 indicate hours in Korean. When talking about hours, we pair it with the native Korean numbers, also known as the pure Korean numbers. Here are the hours in Korean. 한시, 한시, 한시 is 1 o'clock. 두시, 두시, 두시 is 2 o'clock. 세시, 세시, 세시 is 3 o'clock. 네시, 네시, 네시 is 4 o'clock. 다섯시, 다섯시, 다섯시 is 5 o'clock. 여섯시, 여섯시, 여섯시 is 6 o'clock. 일곱시, 일곱시, 일곱시 is 7 o'clock. 여덟시, 여덟시, 여덟시 is 8 o'clock. 아홉시, 아홉시, 아홉시 is 9 o'clock. 열시, 열시, 열시 is 10 o'clock. 열한시, 열한시, 열한시 is 11 o'clock. 열두시, 열두시, 열두시 is 12 o'clock. 분 indicate minutes in Korean. When talking about minutes, we use the Sino-Korean numbers. Here are the most common minutes used. 5분, 5분, 5분 is 5 minutes. 10분, 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 10 minutes. 15분, 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 15 minutes. 30분, 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 30 minutes. You can also use 반. 반 means half. 45분, 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 45 minutes. 50분, 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 50 minutes. 55분, 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 55 minutes. To indicate AM, we should say 오전, 오전, before stating the hours. 오전 1시. 오전 1시 is 1 a.m. 오전 2시, 2 a.m. 오전 3시, 3 a.m. 오전 4시, 4 a.m. 오전 5시, 5 a.m. 오전 6시, 6 a.m. 오전 7시, 7 a.m. 오전 8시, 8 a.m. 오전 9시, 9 a.m. 오전 10시, 10 a.m. 오전 11시, 11 a.m. 오전 12시, 12 a.m. Let's go to PM. PM is ohu. Ohu. Place ohu before the hours. Ohu hanshi is 1 p.m. Ohu dushi, 2 p.m. Ohu seshi, 3 p.m. Ohu neshi, 4 p.m. Ohu tashishi, 5 p.m. Ohu yoshishi, 6 p.m. Ohu ilgopshi, 7 p.m. Ohu yorulshi, 8 p.m. Ohu ahopshi, 9 p.m. Ohu yolshi, 10 p.m. Ohu hyoranshi, 11 p.m. Ohu yoldushi, 12 p.m. For hours between 7 a.m. and 11 a.m., you can use achim. 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 Achim means morning or in the morning. Achim ilgupshi, 7 in the morning. Achim yorolshi, 8 in the morning. Achim ahopshi, 9 in the morning. Achim yolshi, 10 in the morning. Achim yoranshi, 11 in the morning. For hours between 12 p.m. to 5 p.m., use ohu. As we learned earlier, ohu means p.m., which means afternoon. Ohu yoldushi, 12 in the afternoon. Ohu hanshi, 1 in the afternoon. Ohu dushi, 2 in the afternoon. Ohu seshi, 3 in the afternoon. Ohu neshi, 4 in the afternoon. Ohu tashushi, 5 in the afternoon. For hours between 6 p.m. to 11 p.m., you can use chonyok. Chonyok means evening. Chonyok hilgupshi, 7 in the evening. Chonyok yarolshi, 8 in the evening. Chonyok ahopshi, 9 in the evening. Chonyok yolshi, 10 in the evening. Chonyok yoranshi, 11 in the evening. Instead of chonyok, you can also use 밤, which means night. 밤 6시, 6 at night. 밤 7시, 7 at night. 밤 8시, 8 at night. 밤 9시, 9 at night. 밤 10시, 10 at night. 밤 11시, 11 at night. For hours between 1 a.m. to 6 a.m., we should say 새벽 before stating the hours. 새벽 means at dawn. 새벽 1시, 1 at dawn. 새벽 2시, 2 at dawn. 새벽 3시, 3 at dawn. 새벽 4시, 4 at dawn. 새벽 5시, 5 at dawn. 새벽 6시, 6 at dawn. Here's the order in which you tell time. First, indicate the AM or PM at dawn, morning, afternoon, evening or night. Then you say the hour and then the minutes. For example, 4 a.m. 오전 4시, or you can also say 새벽 4시. 12:30 p.m. 오후 12시 30분, or you can also say 오후 12시 반. 9:20 p.m. is 오후 9시 20분, or you can say 저녁 9시 20분.